Hello everybody,
Sorry, you scared me. Go on.
Hello everybody, I'm Karen Exo,
I'm the other one.
and we are going to do a video series of one of the worst games ever made.
I'm sure there are worse out there, you know? It might not be the worst. We've not played it yet, so it might be great.
The game in question is Sonic Rise of Lyric, Sonic Boom Rise of Lyric.
Yeah, I've heard some pretty great things about this, and got us for Karen for his Christmas. I thought he'd love it.
Birthday, I think.
Was it his birthday? Was it your birthday? No, yeah, it was pre-birthday. That's right. No, it was your Christmas. It was your Christmas, and I got you the recording system for your birthday.
Well, Mr. Tang has had a nightmare trying to get this set up, and we're going to have a bigger nightmare because we're waiting for updates.
Yeah, well,
No.
you're the one playing it, so I think you're in for the worst of it. Oh, that was loud for me.
That's what you get for blaring your headphones to like 1,000,000%.
Hey, it was only 50. Oh, Tails, my man, Tails. Oh man, look how high resolution this is.
Yeah, the logo is it at least.
If no one told me this was awful, I'd be really excited to play this.
Well, you're not going to play it. It's me that has to play this.
Oh yeah, oh, it's for 3DS.
Was it for 3DS?
Yeah, there's a 3DS version. Also, it just said in the menu there, connect to 3DS or something. I don't know what you'd be getting out of it.
Well, I'll never know because mine doesn't work.
That's true. You sweated into yours, didn't you?
No, the screen broke.
Yeah, but it was because your sweat, wasn't it? Right? Or your sweat's up to the analog.
I do not sweat that much.
He really, really does. Oh! That game was short.
Very short game indeed with this riveting cutscene.
Oh, he's dead. He's dead. A wee hand poking out. Oh, Sonic. Well, we know how the game ends, so that's nice.
Yeah.
Yesterday's after one day.
Alright, here we go.
Oh, jeez. I'm going to my head.
With some nice action pack.
You were saying? Nice.
Felony 101. Wait. Of course,
Oh.
of course, I have a button that's basically Sonic's head crossed out.
Sweet. This is sweet. Oh, look at me go.
Yep.
Amy, Knuckles, go left. Give me a
Oh.
second. Come on.
Why is it keeps going to black, doesn't it? Or is
Yeah.
that just me?
No, it's definitely going to black, I think. Ah.
Blast you, Sonic. Take that. Move ahead.
Oh.
Oh.
B to jump.
Yeah, it said B.
Yes, keep running.
I've got the headphones around it. It's like there's an echo effect. Like you can hear the game and then you can hear what's happening again.
Hang on, can I play this using the D-pad, not the analog stick? It would actually make it a lot easier.
I don't know.
Because
Oh, look at
those
that.
laps.
I know, Eggman has some luscious lips over there.
Yeah.
Sonic has to show up right when Eggman is springing a surprise attack on us.
It's not a surprise attack if you know what the attack is.
That wasn't a surprise attack, you literally just jumped next to something.
Right.
Your friend
Hang on. Oh, no, I have to use the analog stick. Oh.
Nothing wrong with that.
Apart from the fact the analog stick's a nightmare to use. Not for pretty much any Wii U game. Like,
No, it's not. It's fine.
look, I've played it and I've had moments where I've set the analog stick to go left, but I end up going up or right.
What
rather
games have you played in my Wii U?
Super Smash Bros. For start. Like, I kept setting the analog stick to go left, but I kept ending up going up or right, which is not what I wanted.
Well, it's a refurbished Wii U Studio. Maybe it's just... I swear, the background for Eggman looks so weird, because it looked like he was like going... He was on a side or something, I don't know how to explain it.
Ambush with ice cream?
But no, the post-ambush.
Post-ambush.
Oh, jeez, I can already feel my brain cells just...
Yeah, well, yeah, it's like, what is this dialogue?
Gotta slow down, Sonic. Oh, Tails, my boy. My dear friend.
It's like, don't fall off, Sonic. Oh no, he fell off.
And it took me forever to figure out how to control them. And then I
you dug up ancient roads rather than just building them yourself.
Try to appreciate all the work I put in if they destroy you. Toodles!
I like his voice. I think he's a good Eggman.
Right, how the hell do I control... why? Oh,
And why is that the attack button?
oh god, this is, oh,
What is it? Tell me, it's what?
this is going to be impossible to control.
Oh,
Control the attack.
you'll enjoy it. Look, you already enjoy it. Big smile on your face and everything.
Avoid those swords.
You really want to lie to your viewers?
Our viewers. I'm lying to our viewers.
Yeah, our 2 viewers.
Hell yeah. Don't you know it, my friend. Slash brother.
Forest. This is more like it.
You're already in a forest, Sonic.
Yeah, so maybe are we going to a forest in a forest? Is this Green Hill?
Explore the area.
Explore.
Should you be finding...
Calm and peaceful.
Explore the
Never
area.
stays that way.
Or I meant to say explore
Whoa.
the arena. Yeah. No,
Is there a way for you to like ring dash or whatever?
no, doesn't look like it. Oh no, I don't think LR does anything.
Do you see that structure?
It's a giant ring.
It is. Imagine how many lives you'll get with
No
that.
harm in finding out. Let's head over there.
Yep.
Are you sure it's no way to ring dash? Because I feel like...
Well, R said and L said roll. Y
Alright, try.
Y supposed to the attack. B jump and
Try rolling it to
No, it doesn't work.
Because I feel like
It's just a normal roll.
I feel like they're setting it up for you to be able to do things.
Well, if they are, I can't do it. Plain and simple.
Wait, what was that glowing bubble thing?
Where?
Up there, to the left.
Um,
Oh, it's a crown jewel.
Yep. The crown jewel for the queen.
We need to find the best way through this place. I think we should split up for a bit. You take
Split
the left,
up. It's literally a linear path.
Sounds like a plan.
Well, it sounds like a plan to Tails, so
To split up,
I trust Tails.
So-
So,
he goes low. No, he goes high. We go low. Oh, now we can do this.
aha! Told you.
Even then, it doesn't feel like it's really doing it. Well, we've reunited Tails after about 20 seconds.
Yeah, you didn't. For such a split up, you know, you didn't seem to have split up that much.
No, except
It was just sort of. Oh, was that a chest or something?
where?
Stop. To your left.
Oh yeah.
Maybe it's more like Twilight Princess than I thought.
But
These pillars
I don't think it would be, mainly because Twilight Princess was good, even though I made pretty much no progress. No, I want. How do I turn the camera around?
What about that analog stick?
Nope, that's nope. Oh, just oh, thank God for that.
Stop saying thank God. Oh, I'm so
Oh.
tired,
Oh,
excuse
this,
me.
now this looks like an arena for a boss fight.
It does.
what happened to metal?
I like the models. Apart from Knuckles. I mean, Knuckles' hands. His hands are just so weird. Oh, some of them things.
Oh damn! What could this possibly mean?
So is this gonna be like a time traveling thing? I don't know. That'd be pretty
Don't
cool.
touch that.
Wait, yeah, we go through there. We're gonna travel in time.
Guys, check this out.
Next thing you know, we'll find a TARDIS.
Oh, now that would make my day. Tails becomes a doctor. Oh my god.
Speaking of TARDISes, I see that the TARDIS is one of those Easter egg thingies.
Wait, where? On this game?
No, Roblox.
Oh, Roblox.
Yeah, like last night I saw someone with a TARDIS egg head.
Oh my goodness, are you serious? I need to find that. I need to find that.
Well, today's date is the 19th of April. We're doing this recording.
And it ends when?
I have a feeling it might have ended last week. Oh, we're playing Knuckles now,
Oh,
and
man.
I think it ended last week. I have no idea because I don't take part in anything because frankly I'm not into this kind of stuff. I'm only into playing the games because why only play the games for the Easter eggs if you're never going to play it after getting it?
Are you sure it wasn't Tart's rucksack?
It might have been a
Could you get these?
might have been a rucksack. I'm not sure.
Because I've got a rucksack.
Oh, now you can travel in time with it.
Can. Sorry, we're digressing
Make,
from
or make the AE-86 as your time machine.
You're really making me smile right now.
Well, just while you're the one that's smiling.
Sonic, no, we can take these. Oh yeah.
Oh,
Oh, you can take these guys. Hey, Amy.
oh.
Yeah, go on, Amy.
That was quite the jump.
Oh, Sonic is upset. I bet his shoes are. Oh yeah.
Yep.
Hand
shoe-
partly on it.
Yep. His shoes wrapped up in bandages.
Okay. Sorry, Robot Sonic. Did you not like get a running speed on there? It's your only pace march.
There's just so many things wrong, isn't there?
He was just walking over like, if only I could jog. Power walking is his highest setting. Oh, look, the shadow.
Yeah.
Just as I thought.
I think Shadow's like the only character that didn't get modified into this Boom series.
It's Donald Trump. But what do you mean modified?
Well, the model's still the same. That's what I mean by modified.
Doesn't he have
To
a,
a path out of our current
you know, neckerchief or whatever it's called?
No,
No? You sure?
I'm pretty sure it doesn't.
Then we go that way.
No time
Oh,
to
we're splitting up.
There are presents?
Which
Oh.
victim are we gonna have to play as?
This section is
I say
someone if I
Snuffles.
captured your brain.
I was gonna say Shadow. for some
Oh
reason.
god, look at her lips.
Whoa.
What the hell is that?
Oh dear.
Meet you up there. I'll go this way.
Alright, so
Tails
it's
is the
not-
only one that's not said death. Oh, there we go.
So are we being Amy Pond here?
Oh, no, you
no.
mean Sonic. Get the Sonic toy today. I love rings. Stop.
Ring, ring, why don't you give me a call?
Oh, I would have made a Ring of Fire joke.
This light may open the door out.
I think we may have just got copyright striked for singing that there.
Oh.
Judging by YouTube, because you pretty much get copyright striked for anything.
Oh,
these
that's
days.
true. Excuse me.
I-
You're not even allowed to say the name of, you know. Touch the blue thing.
I'm thinking,
Not that blue thing, the pad.
oh right.
Here's about TV. Thanks, hey, that's really good of
Oh.
you.
There we go. What are we doing here? We're into another arena.
Knuckles and I would most officially handle this situation.
Oh god, what happened to
Let's
Knuckles'
get going.
texture
I'll
now?
meet up with us later.
Yeah, he looks like he's been rubbed with oil. Am I wrong?
Oh, we're playing your favourites.
Yes.
Yeah, that'll put another smile on your face.
I'm loving this video already. I'm great too.
Yeah, because you're not playing.
Hey, I'm sure the game's awesome to play. I mean, everyone's probably wrong. I'm sure it's a great game.
Place to glide? That wall was not built well.
That was not built well. I love how many rings you get, and you've just like had 100 since the start.
have we got one up now? Because
Oh.
it's 100 rings equals another life because it's the law with Sonic games.
I don't know, Karen. Maybe we'd have to, code it and whatnot. No, that's a lot. Ability
Yeah,
to
look.
look at Knuckles in the background. Knuckles
What?
has made some great progress. Oh, where would we be without you, Knuckles, my man?
Okay, am I supposed to go up here? Where am I going?
I
Oh, come
think
on.
you're meant to hit Oh, go to the bottom. Excuse me, go to the bottom. I'm so tired.
Oh,
I'm sorry.
where the hell am I going?
To the bottom, just keep going down.
Oh, there it is.
Button seems- that button seems
Oh, really? Just that? Just for a treasure chest?
That button seems to be the reason we're stuck.
This button must be connected to something.
Tails, I love you, but please stop. Knuckles, do
Oh.
something!
Oh, his legs have gone through the floor!
Are they?
Oh, no, it's through the button.
Oh, I was looking at Knuckles.
There you go, look at the legs. Don't know why I'm pointing at the screen because our two viewers cannot see this.
I can zoom in for you.
That's good.
Oh, this is the
Let's get out.
bottom.
Yeah.
Ugh.
Okay. Excuse me, jeez, I need to stop.
Take me
What,
up.
I'm so
Well,
tired.
alright, well, why don't you go to bed and you can edit the video tomorrow on the 20th of April. How about that? Oh, here he is, the man who somehow made all the progress.
No, he somehow got it.
Come on, there we go.
He was just being nice to you by jumping up and down.
Here's another arena.
I know. Oh,
Oh.
Amy, what's with you? Stop!
Oh god, don't tell me where. Oh!
Oh yeah, you're Amy.
No. Okay, double, triple.
Oh,
Oh,
you
here-
can triple jump.
yeah,
This button must do something. My hammer should break this.
at least she's got a hammer to play with. At least they've given her that. Well, like I said, student, if I have to suffer playing this game, you have to suffer with me too.
But your jokes are worse than. Look at Sonic. Why are the people. Just like the AI is so bad. Look at Sonic.
I know, it's-
standing.
Rings we.
Oh my goodness, Amy. Stop. Get the Amy action figures. Rings! Whee! There you go. Don't worry, my son, we will get there. Who's my brother? My brother. You know my son.
Oh, come on, Amy. There we.
Oh!
Oh,
Oh, snap!
really?
Karen, you're being timed.
And,
But you're fine, because these controls are great.
well, our face has gone through the block there.
Oh, classic Amy. Oh.
Oh. Even when the child jumps, she doesn't jump that high. Where's Sonic in all this? In the
Oh,
one.
he's still standing in the one place.
Yeah. I hate the top one goes first, rather than the bottom one.
There you go, Karen. Oh, if you mess this up.
No,
You can do it, you can do it, you can do it. Go, 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 go.
Alex, the problem.
There you go, see? You're
I
fine.
think I can break that wall down.
Which wall? That's the floor, not the wall.
Exactly.
This should get me out.
Whoa, you missed the other one.
Yeah, I realised it, but I just wanted to get out of this.
You just want to get this game done with as soon as possible.
Yeah, but I don't think we're going to beat the world record because I don't plan doing the exploits like some people have done in the past.
But really, you want to do this one? Not even the jump one.
Oh, no, because even as much as I would like to get this game over and done with quickly, I am not an exploiter.
Do you know how much this game costs?
50 quid or something like that?
Round about, it still costs that much. It's still really. Yeah, Tails, you just. I didn't know we had Tails doll in here. I thought it was the real Tails. Anyway, moving on. My terrible jokes.
Wall climbing.
Yep.
Way to travel.
Oh, stop, Knuckles. Stop. I get you're meant to be stupid, but oh, come on.
Hang on. No, wrong button.
What?
I thought I'd noticed. No, never mind.
What?
No, I thought I'd know. I thought I'd figure something out, but no.
Oh, stop saying that.
Shut up.
Shut up.
Yeah, just have the clip that goes. Shut up.
Yeah, Monty Python, Holy Grail.
Is that the one that Round Atkinson's in, or no? That's Blackadder, isn't it?
Yeah, you're a Blackadder, which is, I'm not gonna lie, extremely different. I've no clue how you got there. Oh,
Oh,
hang
oh.
on to see, I don't even fly.
Yeah, you were just floating there before I started moving.
God, try the jump cheat thing.
Okay. Am I? Oh, I'm going up.
I've got pins needles in my foot. This is not good.
So I guess you're a little bit pinned down.
Oh,
feet.
please never ever say that to me again. That was weird.
Hey, it's Tails.
That's the last one.
Is it?
Yeah. Oh, shut up, Knuckles! Just shut up. Teamwork. Yes. Bounce back. Whoa. What happened?
I don't know. We jumped into this area.
Our journey was a success.
Yeah, journey of hell. What is
Don't you
that?
mean going around and ring? Oh, you're 3D. Do the jump.
Oh, right.
What? Hold on, what?
I don't know. Oh, honey! I didn't realize there was a hole here. I don't think it's that much of a big deal because I'm not really caring.
Oh, it's a
that
big
much.
deal for me, man.
Oh, we got a riveting cutscene. Oh god, the mouth there.
I like that. I think it's cool.
What?
Artistic choice.
What's that?
The mouth to go to the side where he's like side on. I think that's cool.
Yeah, but did it have to be this wonky?
Well, there's wonky and then there's artistic.
I don't think those doors were to keep us out. They were to keep that in. Let's get out of here. Oh, wait, I forgot.
Really?
Oh, you're so stupid.
Locked us in. Locked us in? I was saving you.
What?
Need saving?
Yeah.
Oh, Amy's hurt. Amy's a...
Guys, can we put a pin in this for a second?
Oh, man. There's a giant snake cadile.
There's a snake in my boots.
You.
Me? Yeah.
Unfinished business.
Didn't know we had started, but... Wow.
Now I'm convinced it's a bad thing.
Nice. Why? Why, Sonic? Why would you do that?
1,000 years later and you're still predictable.
What's he talking about?
You dodged my spin attack. Nobody's ever done that before.
Didn't dodge it.
Yeah, he reflected off of his... what are they called? Handcuffing. Oh, I assume that's what it was. I could be wrong. Oh no, he's gonna hit the statue or something. I don't know.
Now, let's see what 1,000 years in prison will do to you.
Probably. Come.
What just happened? Well, let's see. Discovered an ancient tomb, moved those mirror things around, and got steamrolled by a 1,000-year-old reptile. Did I leave anything out?
Yeah. You forgot the part where it was all Sonic's fault.
Damn, Knuckles!
Speaking of saving us, we almost have this thing figured out.
Convenient.
They probably have trapped their arms, you know. I mean,
Oh, okay.
Interesting.
Sonic has a target. It's going to attack. Oh,
oh, Leia's kind of reminded me of Sonic Unleashed.
oh, that's a bit...
Also, I've just realised at the top left you can change characters.
Yeah, that's what I tried to do earlier, but I couldn't do it.
Oh, okay, arrow keys.
Yeah, with the D-pad.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
Arrow
I-
keys, what am I on about?
Get out of here.
Wait, red?
Where's the arrows in these keys? Oh, we suddenly got a bracelet.
Friendship bracelets? Now? Not exactly. I
Not
found
exactly.
that
The bracelets of friendship.
Great work, buddy. Maybe we can use these things to find a way out.
Wait, they did what?
We do a thing.
What did Tails say to do?
I don't know. I wasn't paying attention.
Oh, I was here trying to
Oh.
find out what red meant in the recording.
So this is basically what Tails' bracelet does.
They call me Knuckles.
Oh, I see. I see.
Yeah.
Wait,
Guys,
what?
cracked the wall when he left. We need to break it. See? I am smart.
Not as smart as my boy Tails.
You got brains, but no brawn.
Bit like you, Knuckles. Except the opposite. But then again, all the characters are all broad and no brains. So,
That wall over there looks cracked.
what wall?
Question. Maybe you're ready to like grab the
Oh,
statue.
looks like it'll break open. We need to throw something at it.
Alright, so you throw a statue at a cracked wall.
Nice
Oh,
little
I can't exactly target it. Oh, that's
Oh.
I see what you mean.
I
Oh.
see.
That was my idea.
I have
well,
so
no-
many things
no-
wrong with it.
Not much of. Oh,
Oh, what?
I meant.
You
I,
lost rings! Oh no!
I
Where
mean-
will you ever find them?
I meant to press A, but I ended up pressing Y, so I did my stomp attack round.
Yeah, it wasn't the best maneuver I've seen.
Yeah. Way.
Oh,
Yeah.
there you go, I
Safe
guess.
to say that entering
Southern
the tomb
lyric.
is probably a bad idea.
You think?
Let's just stop this guy and then argue, okay?
Well, how about we stop this video at the end of this one?
Actually, good point. We need to start. I think we've recorded for about 35 minutes.
Oh god, that's 30 minutes of hell.
I know you.
Well, you seem to be enjoying yourself. Did you realise it was 35 minutes?
Met him before.
No.
Oh, well, that can must mean you were enjoying it.
No!
Oh, it must mean it.
Or it was a slither.
It must not mean it because it's not true.
You can't
As Jonathan Pratt would say, it's fact.
As you know, Karen, time flies by in the old green when you're having fun and whatnot.
This snake has some
Yeah?
kind of power.
Time flies when you're having fun. I don't know. I don't remember the saying.
Is there a thing?
Yeah,
This guy
that's not something like time flies by when you're having fun.
to my lair.
Wow, we need to get out of here.
We won't let
Well,
you get
well,
away.
well, as here, in the... Where exactly is here?
Out of this linear path which we're not allowed to stray from.
Dude, street. It's like IKEA.
Oh.
A loading
Oh.
screen, which must mean it might be time to stop this video.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah.
You want to do the outro for us?
Oh, okay. Yeah, I can outro. I am good outro. Okay. Yeah. Bye. Okay. What sort of outro do you want? I didn't
Just,
do
well,
this.
just a outro, because this is a joint channel after all.
Find Cliff.
He's an
Oh, oh.
archaeologist.
How do you know Cliff?
There's
Oh, there's a Cliff.
There's one there.
Again, you're
There's one there.
you're pointing at the screen.
Yeah, that our two viewers cannot see.
There's number 2 viewers. Oh, look at Knuckles' hair physics. Oh, it stopped. Anyway, okay, I'll do outro. Right. Trying to think of something here.
Alright. Alright, I could do it if you want.
Okay, you give me a basis and then I'll finish it off.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully next episode we will find out what cliff we're going to.
Oh, damn, that was good. Okay, my gorgeous friends, I will see you next time. Bye bye. That was good.